Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. It is nice to meet you. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Y'all already know y'all are part of the Grateful Gang. All right, and if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, I suggest you go ahead and just hit that subscribe button, y'all. It's free 99. I mean, it costs you no money. Why wouldn't you do it? I don't know. I'm cool. What is happening? No. I hope y'all can't see that. So shout out to my daddy for letting me borrow his laptop when your girl had no laptop to record on. And now I've got a laptop to record on. I'm gonna probably shout him out for a minute because I'm super hype about it. On this channel, I do budgeting as well as I'm on my journey to first-time home ownership. So if any of that does pique your interest, I suggest you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it's free 99. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're OG, I know you already hitting the thumbs up as soon as you see the notification. My notification, gang, people. And who's here for March Madness money? Burr. Y'all feel me? We're going to have a good video. We have a good time. Although I would like to get right into this because you know what? I was recording this and this lovely laptop that my dad let me borrow died in the midst of recording. So a lot of the information is already here. So let's get right in there. So I'm just basically going to tell y'all what I already figured out. So for y'all who don't know, I switched jobs and this is my last paycheck from my last job, which was paying me weekly. And then this new job will be paying me bi-weekly. I started there on the 24th of February, and I don't get paid until March 12th. Then this check I'm getting for 20 hours is for my last 2 days that I worked, the 23rd and the 22nd of February from the previous job. There is your breakdown. So I had gotten a check for $289.45, and then I had $17.54 of rollover plus $20 that I moved from my Beauty Be a Beast envelope to help cover some of these Ulta credit card charges. So that's where this comes in. So we have a total of $326.99 that we're working with. Giving envelope is getting $10. Ulta's it's $50 something, but y'all, I couldn't pull it up, but I know it's less than $60. The cell phone is getting $75. The credit card is getting $69.30. This was where like gas went last time, as well as a few odds and ends. So I'm looking forward to clearing all these credit cards in March and just using the credit cards for gas going forward. Then housing funds is getting $25. House emergency fund is still getting $25. I really want to fund it since I can't afford to fund my house savings this week because that normally is supposed to get $200. Let's hope we can make up for this $800, which is technically supposed to be $1,000 because March was supposed to be a 5-week paycheck for me. Now it's not anymore, so my funds are all screwed up. Okay, so we'll leave it at $800 and hope we can make up those $400 in each of those paychecks that I'll be getting on the 12th and the 26th. We're gonna have $70 going to cash envelopes, which is usually $100, but we got to work with what we have. And then we have $9.45 because our check was $289.45. In order to do the zero out challenge, we take the last 3 numbers there and make it a basic $280. So $9.45 is going to go to zero out. That got a lot this time. And then rollover ended up being $8.24, which just means that it's going to be amazing because I can delete these notes. Because that's my birthday, like literally 8/24. So as much as it seems like it's tight and it's going to be a tough one, we're going to be all right. Where is the delete the notes, clear notes? Okay. So there we are at a zero-based budget after putting in all of our money. And I did all of that in the video, y'all, and it cut off. And that's it, and that's all. So now what I had started to do was move over the money. So this is where we're at. As you can see, it's not the same amount in there anymore. So we had the $289.45. We had $17.54 rollover, like I said, for a total of $306.99. Then I moved $20 from our Beauty Be a Beast envelope just to help cover that Ulta credit card. And that's when we died. So we had moved $10 for giving, and that's when it died. So now we still need to move our house emergency fund. So let's continue on with our transfers. Tara major keys to house emergency fund 1 time, 2 times, that's $25. And that's going to be for my house emergency fund transfer. Success, baby. And then we have to move over our zero out challenge money, which is what, $9.45. So let's go ahead and transfer $9.45 out of here. I don't know, I had to blank for a minute. It's late at night, y'all. 9:45. And that is for our zero out challenge. Boom, like that, like so, like Auntie Tabitha says, and that's success, honey. And then, do we have anything else to do to move? We moved. This is okay. Let's go ahead and put these things in a color. We're gonna go with this green. Ooh, no, not that, baby. We'll go with the lighter. That's not cool. Let's go with this one, the third one up. So that still needs to come out. Actually, please hold. Let me go ahead and just pay this cell phone bill right now, because that's an easy one to pay. You basically just call me up, pay me off.
Welcome to Sprint Payback Phone. Now part of T-Mobile.
Now part of
Para
T-Mobile.
español, marque el 2.
All right, hold on, y'all. Let me pay this bill, and then I'll be right back. Please hold. Okay, guys, thanks so much for holding. I went ahead and paid that bill, so it's $74.69 instead of $75. I always just put 75, but it actually was $74.69, and that should reflect on my debit card in a few moments when we go back in there. And there goes the boop, boop, boop. That will be scheduled. It actually was not due till the 7th, but that's okay. I forgot to tell y'all that this paycheck, this little $200, $300 paycheck, needs to pay all the bills from 3/3 to 3/11 because we're not getting paid until the 12th. And then after that, after I schedule this Visa to be paid, then pretty much we don't have any of these bills till after the 12th. And then we put $25 to our house and laundry fund. All we can afford was $70 for that. We probably have some change now down in our zero out challenge. Our 31 cents. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this $8.55 to get put out. Now we got $8.55 in our buffer. We're moving on up, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do my March Madness challenge with no money this week, y'all. But we going where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so let's go ahead and check in here. Success, honey. We're still successful. Just wanna be successful. So there is our wireless Sprint wireless bill showing $74.69. Perfect. So that we don't have to mark off. We're going to mark this off in green so that we know that that still needs to come out. We moved the $25 already. We still need to go to the ATM and take the $70 out probably tomorrow. And we'll do our cash stuffing envelope. And then zero out challenge has been moved, and buffer is the only other thing that should be open. So currently it's showing us that we have $207.85, $207.85. I would just put it somewhere so I don't have to go back and forth. Now let's add up what we have. And like I said, there's nothing left down here. So let's add up all of our green numbers. Let's see if I can get this calculator to come up this time. All right, guys. So yes, I got it to come up. So there's our calculator. We have $60 plus $69.30 plus 70 plus 855 plus, oh, that's it, plus 855, 207.85. 207.85. Let me take that out of there since we don't only need that, and 207.85. So that means what we have left in our account is exactly what we have left showing on our budget, as well as we have zero money left to spend. I will go ahead when I'm done and schedule for this Ulta payment to come out, as well as this Visa credit card payment to come out, so that we don't really have to be waiting on much of anything this month. Thank you, Jesus, so much for coming through and letting it be that this money that came out was able to cover these bills to make it until the 12th. And honestly, even if that paycheck doesn't hit exactly on the 12th, we don't have another bill coming out until the 17th. And like so, and like that, and enough money in our cash envelopes to cover 2 weeks of gas. So and maybe a meal if we lucky. All right. And I live at home, so it's not much different. We just gonna have to make it work, y'all. Gonna have to make it work. But that is all I have today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my first paycheck, partial paycheck in March. It's going to be all right. It's going to be all good. Me talking to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed watching the video. In order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. We're doing Faith Over Fear this year, but not only this year, we're doing it forever, forever, ever. Yeah, and if you're doing March Madness challenge, March Madness money, keep on saving. Keep that safe energy, y'all. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.